Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the here and now, the present. I'm asking you, what are you going to do right now consistently to change your future, to ensure your future is going to be what you want it to be? The past is gone. You've outlived that. You've outgrown that person. The future, that hasn't come yet, but you are in control of your future. For what you do today will change your future. It will magnify it to something humongous, or it'll just be minute. But if you come this far, you come too far to stop now, to not get maximum humongous blessings. The future does not exist and the past is gone. I focus on the present moment to create my future and also to create my present. If I'm happy now, and I stay consistent, I'll be happy in the future. I have the confidence in life again because here and now there's no danger and everything happens when my soul is ready. Are you ready? Take action today. Take your life back into your hands. It's been too long. It's been out of your hands. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.